President Mnangagwa has made a pivotal move by reshuffling the Commission of Inquiry into the governance of Harare City Council. Out goes Norbert Fiery, and in comes lawyer Tafadzwa Charles Hungwe. This commission, led by retired High Court Judge Justice Mafios Cheda, was set up in May to dig deep into Harare's local governance issues dating back to 2017. They'll be examining how finances have been managed, the ways revenue has been generated, the handling of property, the procedures of council meetings, and whether procurement processes have stayed within the lines. The Commission has 6 months to get to the bottom of these issues, with a possible 3-month extension if needed. This reshuffle is a big step towards ensuring transparency and accountability in Harare's governance. Stay tuned for updates as we follow this crucial inquiry. Don't forget to like and subscribe.